In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for miniatures that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 Neo. With great quality of life features such as auto leveling and power outage protection, this 3D printer makes so many aspects of 3D printing easier on newcomers. Prints are created quickly and quietly with a highly efficient single extruder in an open frame. Compact yet durable thanks to its aluminum build, this printer is a tremendously high-quality model, and with a price that hovers under $300 most of the time, it's a low cost to you. But if you find that you struggle to remove your miniatures once complete, you're not alone. Many users have reported that the print bed adhesion on the Ender 3 Neo is inconsistent, and can result in difficulty or even damage to the prints when removed. It's this unit's only flaw, however, and it remains a top 3D printer for miniatures. Number 2. ELEGOO MMAX MSLA 3D Printer. SLA printers, also known as resin 3D printers, are a highly popular means of creating detailed models via a unique process, using lasers to carve a shape from a light-sensitive thermoset polymer. Our top pick in this category, the ELEGOO MMAX, is our favorite offering, creating superb miniatures quickly and efficiently. With an easy and minimal assembly process, you'll have the MMAX up and running in no time. Configure your setting easily thanks to a helpful 4K touchscreen, and choose from a selection of print presets. No matter the design, the MMAX employs dual Z-axis rails to quickly change laser direction to ensure fast and accurate prints. The resulting resin models are astonishingly accurate, and with a build volume of 195mm x 122mm x 150mm, you've got the freedom to create some terrific characters and props. If we had to pick a flaw in the MMAX, it would be the lack of variety in options. Whilst traditional FDM 3D printers can utilize a range of materials, SLA printers can only use resin. Though this is a limiting factor, it makes it an ideal solution for quick and intricate miniatures, and we still highly recommend the MMAX. Number 3. Entina 2 Mini. This small, enclosed 3D printer is ready practically out of the box, almost plug and play in design. Once you've configured your design with the packaged slicer software, the Entina 2 Mini gets to work rendering your design before your eyes. The user-friendly and small-scale nature of this makes it a great 3D printer for kids, creating miniatures of their favorite characters in no time. However, the compact nature of this 3D printer does place a limit on your creativity. At 100mm x 120mm x 100mm, you may struggle to match your ambitions for the next campaign. No budget 3D printer is immaculate, though, and we still recommend the Entina 2 Mini as a great option for miniatures. Number 4. Snapmaker A350T. Boasting a build volume of 320mm x 350mm x 330mm, you've got ample room to create your designs in a variety of formats, and with incredible precision. Thanks to an intelligent algorithm, the A350T actively adjusts and compensates to utterly minimize errors. Print using a variety of filaments, from PLA to ABS, and thanks to a gamut of automated features, avoid having to interfere with this highly versatile craft tool. Given that you're effectively buying 3 premium units, you can expect a premium price tag attached to the A350T, which may not be ideal if your D&D party only meets infrequently. However, for unmatched value for money, this premium 3D printer for miniatures is the ideal solution. Number 5. Gtech Miser M. A dual extruder effectively allows double the productivity of your 3D printer, print 2 models at once, or in multiple colors. The Miser M allows you to blend colors naturally in a gradient or allocate block segments to be independently extruded. The 3D printer also allows for both automatic leveling for beginners, or manual configuration for the more experienced 3D printer user. With a build volume of 255mm x 255mm x 260mm, you've got plenty of room to create miniatures of any variety or complexity. So why isn't this the best 3D printer for miniatures? Though speed isn't crucial to a 3D printer's success, the Miser M is notably slower than other 3D printers of the same ilk, especially when blending in gradient mode. Though it stops the Miser M from topping the list, it deserves a spot as one of the best 3D printers for miniatures.